Cancel the following fractions: 14 over 21, 18 over 54, and 32 over 56. So if we've got 14 over 21, if we look at 14, which is the numerator, and 21, which is the denominator, we will notice that 7 goes into both those numbers. So if we divide the numerator by 7, we were going to get 2. And if I've divided the numerator by 7, in order to not change the meaning of the fraction, I need to divide the denominator by 7 to get 3. So 14 over 21 is the equivalent fraction to 2 over 3. Similarly, 18 over 54. Now, you might notice straight away that 18 goes into both those numbers, but if you didn't, you just did 9, suppose. So 9 goes into 18 2 times, and 9 goes into 54 6 times. We can now notice this will actually cancel again by 2, so we'll just repeat the process. Divide 2 by 2, we can get 1, and 6 by 2, we're going to get 3. So 18 over 54 is equivalent to 1/3. Now, we could have just done that in one go by dividing by the numerator and the denominator by 18. Part C, 32 over 56. If we notice that 8 goes into both these, 32 divided by 6 gives me 4, and 56 divided by 8 gives me 7. So 32 over 56 is equivalent as 4/7. So this has been a video to show how to find equivalent fractions by cancelling fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.